This is not it. I can't promise it'll be worth it. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna start a project today. Probably should take a day or two, max. I think a day of modeling and printing and another day of putting it together. It's exactly what I would tell you if the reality wasn't that I've already been working on this for over a month. I've done it, I printed it, made the video, and was gonna post it, and then I really didn't like it, so then I redid the entire thing, printed it in a completely different manner, and then didn't like that, so I reprinted it for a third time because of really what was a slight nuisance, but I became a bit of a perfectionist on it, and then I put all the video together, and now I've been sitting on the video for a while. But we're gonna pretend like I haven't even started this yet, so follow along as I build this light. We're gonna do some soldering today. It's been a minute, but I think we'll figure it out. Walk with me. Pretty good time to tell you that we're gonna cut up a book. Excuse me. Okay, did a little bit of editing on the plane there. Not sure what this interruption's for, but I'm gonna go from doing something to doing something else. Enjoy. Okay, we gotta be honest, because this thing, this is not it. This bright color, obnoxious LED auto format that it goes to when you turn it on, I hate. Even when you turn it on to just the white look, you have to actually do that, which is the opposite of the reason I made a sliding mechanism so I could pull the book out, have this nice, relaxing white light. Every time you put the book back and pull it back out, it goes right back to this carnival ride. So, through the magic of 3D printing, I printed a new one. Printed it in all black. It shouldn't have any light bleed out like the white filament had. I fixed a couple things on the inside for where the LEDs mount. I got new LEDs. These are just white LEDs. There's no colors to them. Ironically, cheaper and better suited for this. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip the bookcase off of that because I like that book cover. We're gonna redo this. We're gonna wire it all up. And it's gonna look better. I'm also gonna put it on a bookshelf where it actually works. So stand by, follow along. I promise it'll be worth it. I can't promise it'll be worth it, but watch anyways. Let's see what happens. We're either gonna fail up or we're gonna fail down.